If you're taking ibuprofen every single day, please stop. If you have joint pain or inflammation, then there is a way better option. And I say that as a certified iridologist running my own clinic here in the US. Most people think the best anti-inflammatory foods are turmeric or ginger, or even blueberries. They're not. The number one natural anti-inflammatory that outperforms ibuprofen by 60% is beets. Yes, beets. But not just any beets. Beet juice won't cut it. And most store-bought beets, sprayed with pesticides that kill the nutrients your body actually needs. What I recommend is pure organic beetroot, certified by US Labs. Take it first thing in the morning, and your body will respond in a way you haven't felt in years. It helps your body make nitric oxide, improving circulation, reducing joint and muscle pain, and relieving chronic fatigue. And the only brand I trust is Goli. I've added a link in my profile with 10% off, if it's not sold out already.